Hello students. Now we study chapter second, which is polynomial. In this chapter, first of all, we study what is polynomial. An expression in which power of a variable is a whole number. That means a expression in which power of a variable is a complete whole number. For example, let us take example 2x square plus 7x. In this expression, the power of the variable, like this, the power of variable is 2 and the power of variable is 1, is a whole number. Take another example, 2y cube plus 7y square. In this expression, you can see the power of variable y is 3 and 2. This is a whole number. So these are the examples of a polynomial. Now we can see that which are not polynomial, जो polynomial नहीं है. For example, we take x plus 1 by x. In this expression, you can see that if we solve this expression, which is x plus, अगर हम x को न्यूमरेटर में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो ये हो जाएगा x की पावर -1. And you can see that the power of the variable is negative, is not a whole number. अगर किसी भी एक्सप्रेशन के अंदर पावर जो है वो नंबर नहीं होती है तो वो आपका पॉलिनोमियल नहीं कहलाएगा. टेक अनदर एग्जांपल 2 root y plus 2y square. You can see that the power of variable y is 2, but यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो कि y की पावर √2 है. अगर हम इसको सॉल्व करें जो कि होगा 2y 1/√2 plus 2y square. Again, the power of variable y is 1/2, which is not a whole number. So we can see that in that expression in which the power of variable is a whole number, these expressions are called polynomial. And in which if the power of variable is not a whole number, like a negative number or a fraction, then these expressions are not polynomial. So these are not polynomial. तो ये आपका polynomial नहीं होगा. Okay students. And now next topic is types of polynomial. Next topic is types of polynomial. There are basically two types of polynomial. First, on the basis of terms. On the basis of terms. And second, on the basis of degree. So first we discuss the types of polynomial on the basis of terms. On the basis of terms. First type is monomial. Those polynomial having only one term are called monomials. Those polynomial having only one term, जिस पॉलिनोमियल के अंदर केवल एक ही टर्म होती है उसे हम मोनोनोमियल कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल 2x 2y, you can take any examples and see that In this example only one term have, so this type of polynomial is called monomial. And second is binomial. Those polynomial having only two terms, those polynomial having only two terms, जिस पॉलिनोमियल के अंदर केवल दो टर्म्स होती है उस पॉलिनोमियल को हम कहते हैं बाइनोमियल. फॉर एग्जांपल, if we take 2x plus 7, in this example you can see यहाँ पर केवल दो ही टर्म्स है 2x and 7, so this type of polynomial is called binomial. Take another example, 2y plus 9, यहाँ पर भी केवल दो ही टर्म है, so we call them binomial. Third, trinomial. Those polynomial having only three terms, जिस polynomial के अंदर केवल three terms होती है, those polynomial having only three terms. For example, if we take 2x square plus 9x plus 7, इस एग्जाम्पल में आप देख सकते हैं कि हमारे पास तीन टर्म्स है इस पॉलिनोमियल में, सो वी कॉल देम ट्राइनोमियल. So you can see on the basis of terms we have three types of polynomial: monomial, binomial and trinomial. Okay, and the next time we will discuss on the basis of degree, or we can say that on the basis of power. Okay.